There we go.
All right, folks, this is Barefoot Grandpa, and today it's not Owen. My assistant is cousin Ricky, and this guy is amazing. He is an amazing bricklayer, construction guy. He knows pretty much everything about anything, or anything about everything. Anyway, he's been an amazing guy to be a good around with and a really, really good friend. So today we are going to talk about the WattCycle 12 volt 280 amp hour battery, and this is pretty cool. They sent this to me to do a test because of our outdoor lifestyle, and we're going to give it a good test. I'm going to pair this is going to go up to our mountain cabin and run solar lights, maybe even eventually a solar fridge. It's a little bit too big for my rig here. In the camper, I've got 200 watts of solar panels on the roof. Comes down through a controller into a battery, which then runs our refrigerator and lights and allows me to charge up anything, and a fan, a ceiling fan. So that's a 100-watt-hour battery, and that's plenty for what I need in the camper. I was thinking I could almost take and go up size with the 280. This is a big old battery, and then maybe even April would be happy because I could run an electric heater. But that may not happen for a while. But we're doing this video here now because the cabin is still covered with snow, and I wanted to get you information on how this works. So this is a 280 amp hour battery. I've seen some talk that it's actually 300 amp hours, which is a big battery. 59 pounds, so it's pretty heavy, but compare this to lead acid.
Yeah, it's almost half, I would say, or close to it.
Okay.
Those batteries are heavy. I can lift this one. The other one, I have to get somebody to help.
Yeah, that other one at the cabin is really heavy.
Yeah.
The cool thing is they last like 10 years, where a lead acid battery is 3 to 5 years or so.
Yeah.
So the battery that it's going to change is pretty much at its end of life. So we are going to pair this in the cabin with this Renogy 20 amp MPPT charge controller. And folks that know amps and watts and volts understand the magic. I don't really understand the magic and all the information behind it. I just plug up the wires and hope I plug them up right. That's another story, because positive needs to go to positive, positive to negative is not a good thing. So the cool thing about this, and thank you WattCycle for sending this, they've got a manual that actually makes sense. It's got a lot of good information, and it talks a lot about the BMS, or Battery Management System, and that supports fast charging and discharging. It's constant voltage in and out, and protects against temperature changes, and protects against over discharging the battery.
Oh, wow.
This will actually stop it. And then another cool thing, you don't really have to pay attention to the chart, but the lithium ion batteries will discharge almost out to 90% or so. So it uses almost the entire capacity of the battery, where a lead acid battery only discharges to, I don't know for sure, but I'm going to say about 50%. So you're really only using about 50% of the capacity of a lead acid battery, where this thing goes to almost 100%. It's awesome. So 59 pounds, there's all kinds of electrical magic stuff here that I don't understand, but their manual actually kind of makes sense. So,
4 minutes.
Oh, we've been 4 minutes already, good. So April is behind the camera today. Sometimes it's Owen, sometimes it's Ryan. So that's very cool. WattCycle, thank you very much for trusting us to test this out. I've seen a lot of videos on your products on Instagram and Facebook. and some very scientific guys going in and actually really testing the batteries. One guy hooked it up to special fans and ran it all the way down and tested how much amperage the battery had, and it came right up to 300 amps.
Wow.
So, and that's running the battery all the way down to pretty much zero.
Wow.
So Ricky has ordered up a battery charger. He has just tested the battery, and it's right up there at full charge.
Full charge from the factory.
From the factory.
Full charge.
Got cool handles on it. Kind of necessary because it is a little heavy.
Yeah.
And in this little bag are the connector gizmos. Scientific term, connector gizmos.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
So
Looking forward to trying it out.
all 15 families that use our cabin are excited about upgrading our solar system. So thank you, Ricky.
You're welcome.
Thank you for taking this up,
Yeah.
and maybe I'll be able to get up there and help you install it.
Right.
That might be fun.
Yeah.
Roxy and I can run up. And that's it for today for Barefoot Grandpa. Thank you folks for watching. I really appreciate all the subscriptions, and the comments are amazing. So be good humans, protect the wild, and check out some of this cool stuff that they keep sending me to check out.
There you go.